Hello guys, if you don't want to lose your contact number, then watch the video. If you want to save your contacts on your Gmail account, then first you have to do open the Play Store, then search contact backup. I already search it, then contact backup. Okay, then select the third app, then open it. I already install it and I already installed it, so I don't have to install it again. Then open it. After opening that, you have to select backup, first option, then select backup destination and format. Your backup destination will be device memory and your format will be backup format. If you want to select PDF, okay, after that you have backup, then file exist, no. Okay, it takes some time. Process to complete. After that, click on the home button and go to your file manager. Then local drive, internal storage. After that, select contact backup storage. Okay, then select backup file. After that, select three dot option, more option. Okay, you have to select the file, then select more option, then share. After that, select Gmail and then select your email ID. Okay, then click on the arrow and add at last once received. Okay, then click on the three dot and then select save draft. After that, go to your email ID, Gmail ID. Okay, open the Gmail. Left side there is a three dot. Okay, click on the draft option and then you find your draft. Here will you find your backup. Star it. Okay, if you want to download it, then download. Okay, download complete, then select it, and after that you select contact backup and once, then you find out okay save, then you find out all contacts will be saved on your contacts. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video and give us a thumbs up and subscribe.